While this guy was out hiking, he started to hear the deep sound of ice cracking behind him, which is when he turned around and saw that an avalanche had started far in the distance. Little did he know though, the avalanche was about to come a whole lot closer, causing for one of the most insane things I think I've ever seen in my entire life. It's important to note that the guy and his group ended up walking away just fine, with no real injuries besides a few bumps and bruises. At the end of this video, you'll see where he hid while this crazy event took place. Check it out.
Oh dear God. So the avalanche happened over here. I dived down into this hole and managed to be okay. Wow.